And he and I have been together for 36 years, since I was 17 and he was 18, and he's actually the person who identified that the only way I could possibly earn any money was to become a barrister, because he knew me well enough by the time I got to Oxford to say that I was unemployable as a solicitor. So he's responsible for setting me on that path, and having done so, he's also the person that supported me in my career. He had a very active one, both as a chemical engineer and then with the National Trust, and we have shared childcare between us. And we brought in my mum to help look after the children. So we are a family network, and when we earned enough money, then we had a nanny share. So that is why when I gave those figures, I do so with the necessity to be humble, because I am lucky that I have had family and support from my own family and from my husband. In terms of what support I've received from other women, it is a vibrant, incredibly collaborative environment at the bar. It is, because you are so on show, because when you go into court you are going to be judged by your cross-examination, whether good or bad. Because at the family bar we all read the same papers, because we know what the case is about, it's open disclosure. We all know the type of difficulties that each of us is representing in terms of our client. And so there is a very challenging, but equally a very supportive environment to work in. So I have gone to court and become unwell. And when I did, someone spoke on my behalf to the judge to try to negotiate negotiators having the morning off. And he was agreeable, and so I came back when I was feeling slightly better. I've been taken unwell in court, and then the degree of support you get from your colleagues is extraordinary, because they recognise we work ourselves to the point of exhaustion, and sometimes that takes over. And there is nothing but respect and admiration. There's no criticism that I've ever received from any other person, male or female, about the fact that your health has sometimes been overtaken by work. So it is an incredibly collaborative environment. So that's a positive side. That's my experience. That's all I can say it from.